Alright guys, if you try to change the mirror cap or the side indicator as I do now on Audi A4, you have to have a suction cup to pull the glass towards yourself, the mirror, and there are a couple tabs behind it, so with some hooks carefully go around and unhook. There are two guides, there is one on that side and one on that side, and the mirror is holding in the middle with these little tabs around the center piece over here. So you kind of have to push it from all the angles here until it clips out. Once that one is out, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. These 5 screws out, and last bit is it looks quite tricky and the plastic may break, so be careful. Unless you're changing to a new cap, then I wouldn't worry too much. So the way to do it is you have to start from the bottom and put the hooks over here and then clip it from these tabs here. So unclip it, leave one inside, and clip it, leave another inside, and do it all the way around here, and clip it, and clip it, and clip it. Once it's unclipped, you have 2 more hooks over here, plastic hooks from the mirror cap itself. So push in a screwdriver, something like that, in that hole, and lift it up, and later another hole and lift it up, and the cap should come out. Obviously have this tab as well. Once you've done everything around here, I've managed to get this tab before I've done the hooks as well. Just carefully not to break it from sides over here. So it's a bit tricky, I would say, and high chance of breaking something, so be careful when you go around it. Alright, thanks, I hope it helps.